This is FREECOM 1. It packs the highest technology a solo rider can ask for. It's IP67 waterproof. It's also very aerodynamic. Only 60 millimeters top to bottom, which makes it one of the thinnest Bluetooth headsets of its kind. FREECOM 1 comes neatly packed inside this box that includes both the Bluetooth headsets and all the accessories you need to install it on your helmet. Let's open it and see what's inside. Remove the sleeve to open your FREECOM 1 box. Inside the box, you'll find the Bluetooth headset on top. Remove the foam to reveal the accessory box and the documentation box underneath it. Inside the documentation box, you'll find a safety and warranty document, a quick reference pocket guide, and installation instructions. Inside the accessory box, you'll find all the gear you'll need to install FREECOM 1 on your helmet. A hybrid boom microphone, FREECOM cradle, USB cable, glue plate to be used with certain types of helmets, a set of 2 speaker relocators, a small bag with your 40mm thin speakers, a spare sponge for your boom microphone, a set of 4 velcros, 2 squares and 2 rectangulars, and 2 alcohol pads for cleaning helmet surfaces during the process of installation. That's all about it. Now that we've finished unboxing FREECOM 1, let's learn how to use it.